What's up, guys? Another day, another loss. Like always. I'm sorry. I didn't know. I actually knew there was gonna be news, but I traded anyways. I was planning to trade. I looked at the news, and there was news, and because I wanted to trade so badly, I ended up taking a trade. Let's go over it real quick. We actually broke structure to the downside on the daily on GU and EU. So I was on the edge of taking buys. I wanted to look for shorts, but longs were just such a good opportunity considering we were very much extended to the downside and sweeping liquidity left, right, and center because of all these equal lows. So I was considering a retracement up to some sort of like this point, maybe something close to this, like the hourly time frame. You can see this and these highs. I was expecting some sort of retracement upwards, sweeping higher time frame liquidity, and then moving downwards, or at least going up to these points. But that trade wasn't that good because again, it's low probability, and I shouldn't have taken it. Considering there was news, so 100% I shouldn't have taken it. But I saw this as price was moving down. We swept all these lows, started moving up. We broke structure on the 5 minute. I scaled down to the 1 minute, and as you can see, we got a bit of a retracement. I took my trade, and price was actually starting to move up, but eventually news came in and screwed me. I shouldn't have traded on news anyways. And still price went even lower and lower and lower eventually. Like any buy should have taken should have been right here around this area. So that's fine. What happened next is I took another trade. Now I didn't lose this trade. It looks like I lost, but I didn't. I got stopped out at break even because I was looking and looking and looking, and I was marrying my bias as well, my daily bias. But after we came down a lot, and we swept all sorts of liquidity. And after sweeping that much, I started seeing very much bullish movements on GU and an SMT form. So I decided to take a trade on EU after breaking such to the upside on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, giving a little bit of retracement. And the problem with this trade is I overextended my take profit. I should have known we're never gonna get up to these highs, but a retracing move up to here and some take profits around this area would have been nice. But no, after price got to this point, I took my stops to break even, and I got stopped out at break even. So it's fine, but this one should have been at least like half a win or something. That's a 1 to 2. Again, I'm too stingy with my take profits. I should take a 1 to 2. I'm getting greedy, so I learn from my mistakes, and hopefully I can do better tomorrow. I keep saying this, but it's not looking good. But I'm still fine. I'm still fine. I can make it back. I can make it back. I'm like, what, 3%, 4% down, I think, on the account. 4% into drawdown is not that horrible. I can still make it back, and that's about it. So yeah.